Technology has helped move society forward for hundreds of years. However, if you're wondering how technology can be used in your business, well, you're in the right spot, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways that you can start using technology to grow your business. Stay tuned. So we all know as technology evolves, the marketplace evolves as well, and companies must adapt to that new evolution. Old technologies fade away, new technologies come into play, the tactics change, and sometimes the principles change as well. However, there are 4 usages of technology that will never change no matter how advanced technology gets. Let's just get right into them. So the first way is automation. Automation is basically where you give a task to a computer or a robot, which then does it for you, and you never have to think about it ever again. By creating software programs or robots for certain tasks, you can start to save a whole lot of time, and you can start to save a whole lot of energy as well. You can put your time and energy into something that is more important and that will grow your business even more. You can even start to automate some parts of your business process. For example, a project management software like Trello can start to send out automated reminders when a due date is coming up to your employees. Or even you can get Trello integrated with Slack, and then Slack will start to get messages from Trello, and Slack will then remind your employees that hey, something is coming up and it is due. So as the manager, you can start to focus on more important tasks, such as what should the team do next, or how can you make the team more efficient. These are much more important things than going out there and telling your employees that something is due. Another nice thing about automation is that you can have the computer or robot running for hours and hours and hours with no break. You can let it run 24/7. It will never complain, it will stay consistent, and you just have to pay for the energy cost. That's it. So even while you're sleeping, there's someone at work, but that someone is a robot or your computer. The next way that technology can help your business is with speed. As competition gets fierce, your business has to adapt and move faster than the competition, and technology can allow you to do exactly that. So let me give you an example that will illustrate how technology has made things faster. Imagine that you are an accounting firm and you're managing a whole lot of clients. Now, instead of doing all this stuff online with an Excel sheet, you do it with paper. It's going to take a long time for you to actually compute all the numbers and crunch all the numbers, where you could have done it with Excel really quickly. So in terms of speed and delivery, the accounting firm that uses Excel sheets and technology will always win over the accounting firm that uses paper and tries to do everything by hand. Another thing that computers are really good and really fast at is computing numbers. I mean, it's in their name, computers. They compute something. And if you have a lot of data about your business, you can push that data through a machine learning algorithm, and the computer will crunch all these numbers really fast and start to uncover trends that you might not have even seen. And so by giving that computer access to your large database, it can blast through that large database in no time, which would have taken you years and years if you'd done it by hand. If you want to learn how you can use machine learning in your business, I made a video with the 3 main categories of how you can start to incorporate machine learning into your company. If you want to watch that video, hit this card that's popping up right now. The next way that technology can really help your business is with analytics. You can't improve what you don't measure, and if you don't measure something, you just can't improve it. So when you install Google Analytics on your website, what you're doing is you're using technology to make it very easy to collect data about your business and your blog or your website. And this way you can start to look at the data and start to uncover trends. Are the mobile users more engaged? Are desktop users more engaged? What's happening? What are load times looking like? Are mobile users bouncing faster? All of this stuff with just Google Analytics. And technology is getting better and better and better all the time with the rise of 5G, with more bandwidth, cheaper storage devices, cloud computing, and just cheaper overall devices. It's going to become easier and easier and cheaper as well to start gathering large amounts of data about your business. Matter of fact, there's a huge branch of computer science just dedicated to this. It's called big data. What they're trying to do is basically make sure that the amount of data that you can gather, you can store it somewhere as well, because current technologies, if you try to use them in a way to store a lot of data, well, they get really slow. And if you're a business that relies on speed of delivery, well, you can't have a slow system. And so as these technologies get better and better, you can start to collect more data and more analytics about your business and become a smarter and more adaptable business. And finally, the last way that technology can really help your business is with scaling. One of the hardest things to do in business as an entrepreneur with a startup is to scale the startup. You have to go out there and get new employees, you have to build new business processes, you basically have to build a whole new business on top of the already validated business idea that you have with your startup. However, technology can start to make this easier. For example, Amazon's AWS cloud computing platform, when you need more servers, you just click a few buttons and you start to get more servers installed on your business website. Now, you might need a specialist to install these servers. However, the savings costs are huge when you think about it. These new servers are handling more transactions, more traffic for your business, so you can start to grow your business even more. For example, Amazon's customer base, if it got really big and they only had a few little servers to handle all of that traffic, well, they're gonna start to hinder and bottleneck how much business they can run. And by adding more servers, you're also getting consistency. One software running on one server is going to be the same software that's running on another server. So there's a lot of consistency. And you can go out there and start to get employees for more important tasks that computers can't do, such as creative tasks. So in conclusion, when done right, technology can start to make your business stronger and smarter. You can start to automate tasks and start focusing on more important things. You can increase the speed of how fast your business operates. You can start to analyze more data and collect more data as well. And when the time comes, technology can help you scale out your business correctly. If you're still wondering how you can use technology in your business, feel free to contact me on any social media platform. It's at Sonny Chopper. I'll have some links coming up right now. It's completely free. I genuinely like talking about this stuff, so let's discuss. However, if this video helped you understand how you can use technology in your business, why not drop a thumbs up? And remember, on this channel, we like to talk about how we can work smarter with the power of technology and software to grow our businesses. Because just working hard, that's so yesterday. Today's new game is all about working hard and working smart. So if you're all about that life, why not hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know exactly when content drops. And as always, this has been Sonny Chopper. Peace.